Welcome to this Fixit channel, and I want to have a little tips and tricks if you're a Windows 10 user. Especially, it is available in every version of Windows 10, but if you're on the April 2018 update, one of the cool features, if you want to know if Windows Defender is actually working, if it's scanning your system, if you want to know if everything is alright, just head on to the shield, that is the Windows Defender shield on the bottom right, or what is now the Windows Defender Security Center. There you will see something that's called Virus and Threat Protection. If you click on that, you will see the state of the last scan, if it found any viruses, and if you want, you can run a new advanced scan, which will be much more pronounced and will check every aspect of your computer to stay safe. So check that out. And of course, if you want to know if you've been infected in the past, you have a threat history where you could check out quarantined items, what current threats it might be checking out on your computer. So it's a very, very cool thing to look at. And that's if you don't use third-party antivirus on Windows 10. If you enjoy my videos, please subscribe, give us thumbs up. Thank you for watching.